You have to be gentle when you hug him. Is Jax crawling on you? Oh, if you don't like it, just say, I don't like it. Remember to be gentle. He's just a little guy. Is he crawling on you? Are you gonna crawl on me, sir? You wanna stand? You wanna see? There's Jax. Hey, chubby baby. Can you see? Can you see Jax? Oh, Jax got the phone. Baby Godzilla. All right, sit down, sir. I wanna see. All right, you guys are no fun.